Welcome back. Today we'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram. So I will walk you through it. Let's get started. If you want to open a message without the sender knowing you have read it, this is the setting you need to change. Start by tapping your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the section called How Others Can Interact with You. Tap on Messages and Story Replies. Next, tap on Show Read Receipts. Right now, this is turned on, which means people can see when you have read their messages. Just toggle it off and they won't be able to see when you have read their message anymore. And that's it. That's how easy it is. If you enjoy this video, check out the right next to me, and I think you will be like that too. Thanks for watching. Tata.